Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, class.
Morning.
How are you today? I'm fine too, thank you. Okay, before we start our lesson, please Nora, lead your friend to pray.
Before we start our lesson today, let's say pray. Pray, please.
Okay, thank you. Now, who is absent today? Nihil. Okay, thank you. Nah, before we start our lesson, I want to ask what we do for last week. Apa yang sudah kita pelajari last week? Okay, yes, text, procedures, text. Now I want you please stand up, please. I will ask you, are you ready to study? And you are, please answer with yes, we are yes, we are ready. Okay. Are you ready for study?
Yes, we are ready.
Once again, are you ready for study?
Yes, we are ready.
Okay, thank you. Please sit down, please. Now this is we call warmer. Yes, atau pemanasan. Okay, today we will study about personal letter. For the last week we study about procedure text. Now we will study about personal letter. And then for the aim of this lesson, for the first, after you are study personal letter, you have to compare the social function, the generic structure, and then the language feature of the personal letter. And then for the skill, you have to make question or make a personal letter, but you have to don't forget to use social function and then the structure text and then the language feature or generic structure-nya. Jadi ini what we want to do for this lesson. Okay? Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay. Any question? What will do? No? Okay. Here, who still remember about procedure text? Who still remember? Procedure text. Yang masih ingat procedure text? Siapa? Masih ingat apa enggak? Did you still remember or not? Procedure text? No? No, oh my God. So procedure text is a text that apa? Give us instruction or apa? Apa? Procedure text itu teks yang tell us about information about how to do something. Now, are you remember? Yes, I hope you will remember the last meeting. But for now, because today we will study about personal letter. Okay, class, I have this. Do you know what it is? Yes, this is an envelope. Do you know what do you do? Send a letter. Now I want to ask you, do you have a friend far away from where you live? Yes, do you have? Yes. Now, if you have a friend, Have you ever read a letter, send a letter for her or for him, for them? Send letter to you? Have you ever read a letter? Yes? Okay, what kind of this letter? This is personal letter or another letter? Personal letter, okay, personal letter. Nah, do you ever write a personal letter using email? Have you ever? Yes? Yes, have you ever? Now, I have a video. This is about personal letter. Please watch the personal letter, and then after this, you can make a question about from this video. Okay? Enjoy it.
Dear Leah, it has been a long time since I saw you. I'm just waiting for my holidays to get over and meet you soon. I hope the work has been going well for you at the office. There's only 3 days left until my holidays, and after that, it's back to work. I drove her off Stockholm. Good luck, Maria.
Okay. Now, please make a question about this video. Please make question from this video about this video. Like, what is this? What is kind of the letter? And then what else? Please make a question. Class, after you watch the video, now please make 4 questions from the video and from LKPD or worksheet that I have shared with you. Yeah? So make 4 video and then write it on the Google Classroom. Okay, we divide 3 groups. This is the first group, and then the second group, and then the third group. Okay, let's start now. I will give you 10 minutes to make a question, for question, and then you can see on your LKPD or your worksheet. This is. Nah, you can compare. After that, you can compare the letter and then write it. What is the social function? What is the generic structure? And then what is the language feature? Now I will give you 10 minutes. Okay, let's start now. Have you finished? Yes. Now after you write you make a question and then you do your worksheet or LKPD. Now you find out the information about personal letter. This is about what is the personal letter, what are the generic structure, what are the language feature, and then what is the social function of the personal letter. Find out from the internet and then write down on the LKPD under your question that you have written on your worksheet in NKPD on Google Classroom. Okay. Now I will give you 10 minutes to find out the information from the internet or from your book. You can find out from book also. So another another research selain from the internet. Okay, now let's start. Write down personal letter. And then you can no Google Translate. You can find out from your Google. Find out the information about personal letter. Nah, personal letter. And then you will find all of the generic structure, language feature, and then definition also.
Di tempat yang tadi. Di sini.
Yes. Where is your group? This is yes. Nice. You can write it in group 3.
Soalnya di sini.
Langsung aja pertanyaan, langsung jawabannya aja nggak apa-apa. Yes. Definition, yes. And you can copy paste from the internet also.
Apa ini jawab pertanyaan
Using English.
Ibu.
Yes. You answer this question. You find that from this. Where is your Google? Where's your Google? Yes, this is write down personal letter. Sorry. Personal letter. Find out. This is you can copy paste what is the social function, what is the but we use English. This is the introduction body. Now you can copy paste and then you can write on your use English, back. You can find out the English. Where is the English? Stop, nggak apa-apa. Yes. Have you finished?
Yes.
Not yet? Okay, have you finished? Finish, okay. Yes, I show you have finished. Write down from this. Okay, thank you. Now, after you find out the information from the internet or another research, please present. Now we will process the data. I want to you present your information. Okay, I will divide the first group. We will present the information about definition about personal letter and then the social function, and then the second group will present the what is language feature of the social function of the personal letter, and then for the third group will present about general structure of the personal letter. I give you 5 minutes. We will start from the first group. Okay, please. Who wants to? Okay, please. Stand up. Over here. You can move over here, please, and then present. What is the definition of the personal letter and then the social function?
Definition personal letter. Personal letter is an informal letter written for individuals. Usually, only two people who know each other are individuals. Two social function of personal letter. Serves to establish relationship by greeting and giving personal information to friends in writing and providing information to friends.
Okay, any question? No? Okay, give applause. And then the second group, please present your results. Who wants to? Ayo, tadi apa? Okay, please. You can move here. Please.
Body of letter, opening, content, closure, complementary clause, signature.
Another, any question or not? No. Okay, give applause. Thank you. And then the last group, please. Who wants? You present the language feature. Okay. Oh.
Using simple present tense. Using simple past tense. Using pronouns first as pronouns are often used.
Okay. The first using simple present tense, the second using past tense, and then using pronouns. Any others? No? No. Just it? Any question or not? No.
No.
Do you understand? Yes. Okay, thank you. Give applause. Okay. Now, you have to present it. This is the first definition of personal letter, and then generic structure. There is state, there is address, greetings, and then the body of letter, opening, and then contents, and then there is closure, complementary clause. This is that we call is generic structure, and then social function. This is the language feature, simple present tense, simple past tense, and then the first and the second present pronouns are often. Okay, so this is the data that you have processing and then collecting. Okay, class, after you present, now I have already give you learning material. From that, you can verification with your data or information that you have from the internet. This is correct or not, this is true or not. You can verification. After that, I will give you 5 minutes to read the learning material to verification your information, and then after that you can compare the letter LKPD or worksheet. From your worksheet there is 2 letters. You can compare this is true or not that you have already do it, and then after that you can do task 2. You arrange your letter. There is a letter in task 2. You can open your worksheet task 2. Did you find it? Your KPD task 2, and then yes, this is rearrange. Jadi nanti kamu arrange the letter may to be a good letter. Okay? This is. Now I will give you 5 minutes to read your learning material. Please now start read it your learning material. Okay. This is your reading. This is the task 2. So arrange the following letter into correct letter. After you read the learning material. You can write it the first, which one the first part the second part, and then the third part. Palembang, 2nd 2021. Jangan boleh satu atau dua ini, nanti taruh sini. No. Where is your the letter? LKPD?
Yeah.
Yes, two of letter. This is for the next. You can replay one of this letter and then you write it from. Have you finished? Finish. Okay, thank you. Now what you got from the internet, and what I have give you the learning material. This is same or not? Same or not? Same or not? Sama apa enggak? Sama apa enggak? Yes, this is the same. Okay. Now, before we make a conclusion, please answer task 2. Arrange the following letter into a correct letter. So, the correct answer is which one? The first part? Number 1. Yes, Palembang, the 2nd 2020. And then the second part is? 4. Number 4, dear Antina. And then the third part is? 3. Auntie, I have some good news for you. Last month, I passed my final examination. A week ago, I succeeded to join a senior high school English competition. And then the fourth, which one? Yes, sit. Last night, my parents promised. And then the last. And then the next, which one? 5. Well, that's all for now. And then the last part is number 2, love Debbie. Okay. Now, let's make conclusion. What is the personal letter? Who wants to try the answer? Please. Oh. Okay, this is the definition of personal letter. Thank you. Personal letter is type of letter that contain personal matter or for personal purposes. So, usually the writer or the sender they tell a personal letter or their feeling. In our language, it's curhat. Right? So they want to tell about personal information or personal matter, and usually one individual to another. And then the next, what is the social function? Please, who wants to try? Okay. Okay, to inform that the receiver that the sender wants to tell important things like personal things, thoughts, or another, and then to convey personal opinion or interest. This is the social function of personal letter. And then the next, the generic structure. Who wants to try? Okay, Aldi.
Generic structure of that greeting and names, address, letter body, content of letter, closing, similarly.
Okay, thank you, Aldi. This is the general structure of personal letter. There is date, and then there is date and address. There is greeting or salutation, body, closing, complimentary close, and signature. And then the language feature. Who wants to try, please? Okay, thank you, Nora.
Language feature. Simple present tense, simple past tense, and person, pronoun, and author.
Okay, thank you. This is the language feature. The first we use pronoun. Pronouns like I, we, you, they, he, she, it. This is that we call is pronoun. And then the second we use simple present tense. Simple present tense, it means we use verb 1. We use verb 1. The form, subject plus verb 1. This is sometimes we need es or s. For example, what? I buy some apple. Nah, but when we use he, so buys some apples. Now, like this. This is the example of simple present tense. And then sometimes also we use past tense when we want to tell something something happened. Jadi for the past tense we use verb 2. Verb 2 for the form of the past tense, who knows? Subject plus verb 2. For example, I bought. Well, this is verb 2. Jadi we tell about something happened in the last class. And then the third, using contraction. Do you know what is contraction? This is when you are, the contraction you, and then are. This is that we call is contraction. I am. I, and then am. And then the last, don't use offensive language. It means don't use fuck No, this is not kita tidak boleh pakai yang seperti itu. Jadi dilarang menggunakan bahasa kasar. Like fuck, and then what else? Did you know? Yeah, something like that, yeah. Don't use even though this is informal letter, so don't use offensive language. Okay, understand? Okay, now let's see the example of personal letter. This is that we date and address. This is Electra Street, Abu Dhabi, 27 October 2021. And then the greeting and salutation, dear Leah. And then the body, this is that we call is body. And then this is the closing. This is the complementary close. And then this is the signature. In the body, there are three. Yes, there are three. The first is introduction or another, and then the content, and then the closure. Okay, any questions so far? Do you have any question? No? Understand about personal letter? Did you understand about personal letter? Yes? Okay. If you understand, now please make a personal letter based on this letter. Now, there are two letters in text 1. Now, replay one of this letter. You can choose. You will choose the first letter or the second letter, and then replay the letter, and then write it on text 3. This is. Okay. Did you get it? Understand? Okay. Please. Let's start to do it. This is the letter. Okay. You can choose one. Which one do you want? The first letter or the second letter? The first letter or the second letter? Free play. Make in a group. Free play. Membalas. Short, just short a letter, yes? Just short a letter. You just replay one of the letter, pilih yang mana kamu balas, nanti kamu tulis ke sini. Yes. Okay, have you finished? Finish. Okay, thank you. Now, did you understand about personal letter? Or any question so far? No? Okay, if you know, I will give you evaluation. This is the evaluation. There are two of letter. This is two of letters. Now write down the social function generic structure and language feature both of this letter. Yeah. But I will give you some chocolate if you can answer this question. Who wants to try answer? Okay. I have this. Now, the first question between two of the letter, this is which one the language feature of the first letter? Which one the language feature? Language feature, which one? Who wants to try? This is for you if you can answer. Which one? Come on, please. Language feature. Language feature from the letter 1. Try it. Okay, this is for you if you can answer. Please. Language feature, language feature. Simple, the example of simple present tense. If, okay, which one? Which one? Okay, who wants to answer the first question? Which one the language feature of the letter 1, please? Okay?
I have the work.
What?
I have the work.
Okay, I hope the work. And then, okay, this is for you. Thank you. The right answer, give applause. And then the second question. Which one the language feature? Once more. Raise your hand. Tinggi. Raise your hand. Which one again? Okay, what? Dear Leah, this is right or no? Okay, this is wrong. What? It is back to work. Okay, that's good answer. Give applause. And then the next question. Which one the generic structure? Raise your hand. Generic structure. Okay, dear Leah, thank you. Give applause. And then, now, the second letter. Which one the generic structure? This is the same. Which one? Generic structure. This is for you. Okay. Okay. Please. Okay. Come on. Okay. Oh, you again. Which one? Okay, Jakarta, 28 March 2020. Okay, thank you. You have 2 chocolate. Give applause for all. Okay, now, do you have any question? Did you understand about this is? Okay, thank you. Now, please write write a short personal letter with the topic your daily activity. Write it on your email and then send it to me. Jadi make a short personal letter from your email and then send to my email. Okay?
Yes.
Did you get it? Okay, now let's do it. Come on. You can do it. you finished? Finish. Okay, thank you. Now, because our time is up, now do you happy? Do you happy? Study English with me? It is interesting to study English? Yes or not? Yes. Okay. Now, okay, because today, now that we conclude, today we study about personal letter. Okay, for the next week, yes, for the next week, we will study or we will learn about passive voice. It is about report text. It is about report text. In the report text, we will study about passive voice. Yeah. Okay. Now you can find out the information from the internet, and then for the next week we can discuss the report text. Okay. Thank you for today. Please, Nora, lead your friend to pray to close our lesson. Pray. Yes. Lead your friend to pray. Pray, please. Okay, everybody ready?
After we close the today, let's pray. Pray, please.
Thank you very much. I think enough for today. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.